Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. Well, that's part 2 of the shrimp and garfish patties. We got the grease heating up, already hot. Missus fixing to put one in there. There we go. Alright, slide that puppy in there. Oh yeah. Let me check on this fire right here. Yeah, buddy. Just right. Making that other one. Thought I had all. That one was already made, but
it was. It's just
she's making a little thinner, like I like them. Make a nice little sandwich with that. Yeah, and I did say sandwich, S-A-M. Like us Cajuns say down here. Oh, speaking of Cajuns, we got bread down here called Evangeline made. Yeah, imagine that, Evangeline. Evangeline. Show y'all something over here. Here's some bread from a local store called Champagne's. Spelled like champagne, but it's Champagne's. Sure fine bread. I compare this bread with Evangeline made. It is just as good. Yeah, and I'm not going to say it's better, because we drink community coffee down here in Cajun country. There's community coffee creamer right there. Oh, there's some fried shrimp from the other night, and I'm going to refresh those shrimp in that hot grease. Anyhow, any of y'all down in South Louisiana want some Evangeline made knockoff bread, and I think it's made at the same plant over there in Lafayette. Oh yeah, that's coming out perfect. Coming out good. I'm going to put some mayonnaise and ketchup on them bread. And I guarantee, like Justin Wilson said, I guarantee that's going to be awesome. Yeah, buddy. We're about 3 minutes in the video right now, so I think I still got about 30 seconds left on this thing. Might come out. And we got the paper towels on the plate ready. Then I'm going to refresh the shrimp. We're going to make us a couple sandwiches. And then we're going to catch y'all. Plutot.